Within this wooden spike lies a blueprint of intensity. The clove seed is a biological nail, ready to anchor itself into the earth. A sturdy, pale primary root burst from the clove seed and plunges deep into the mineral-rich earth. Engineered for the tropics, the clove tree develops a waxy leaf armor to withstand the relentless sun and monsoon rains. The symmetrical cluster. These buds are the architectural focus, a flower captured in its most potent, unbloomed state.
The flower buds start as tiny green marbles, grouped in clusters of 3.
The nail formation. The clove bud engineers itself into a spike, concentrating essential oils within its swelling crown.
The clove buds transition from a light lime green to a vibrant, glowing yellowish green.
The chemical reservoir. Inside this floral tissue, the tree is distilling eugenol, a natural preservative more powerful than any man-made chemical.
The clove buds reach their maximum size, hanging in heavy, dense clusters.
The crimson signal. Red means readiness. The clove bud is now at the peak of its aromatic structural integrity.
A different variety of clove is shown with larger, thicker buds for structural contrast.
The separation. Only the buds move forward to become spices. The stems are destined for the oil press.
The sun-drying alchemy. Heat removes the moisture, collapsing the cells and hardening the tissue into a wooden spike.
The clove buds become blackish-brown, brittle, and develop their iconic nail shape.
The sound of quality. A perfect clove must be hard as timber and aromatic as a forest. From a red flower bud to a wooden nail, the genesis of the clove is complete.
Experience the architecture of preservation, a spike of pure energy. This is Genesis motion. Continuous renewal. The clove tree never stops building, layering scent and structure year after year.
The analysis reveals significant levels of manganese.
The clove tree is shown to be a heritage tree, living for over 100 years. Nature's hardware. The clove is the only flower bud designed to be used as a structural tool. The clove tree stands as a symbol of aromatic power and tropical endurance.
Intense, precise, eternal. Genesis motion brings you the nail of the forest.
The Genesis Motion Estate is shown as a zero-waste, carbon-neutral aromatic sanctuary.